Good morning, guys. Don't mind my shiny face. I got lots of sunscreen on this morning. It's so sunny here in Seoul this week and I keep getting a sunburn, so I'm just constantly applying sunscreen. So today's actually a really exciting day. I'm here with Sunny.
Hello, good morning.
And we're going to BANOBAGI skincare clinic to get a consultation for our skin and a complimentary treatment. And I'm super excited because I've never been to a dermatologist before. I've never had anyone look at my skin and recommend a treatment or a treatment plan or anything. So I'm really excited. In general, I'm pretty happy with my skin. I used to have really bad acne and that has pretty much cleared up. I had a big pimple here the other day, but in general, I'm pretty happy with my skin. But I do have a condition called vitiligo, which makes patches of my skin lose their pigment. So I just have random white patches all over my body, including my face, which are the ones that bug me the most. You guys can't tell on camera, but around my eyes, it's all the pigment is gone from here. So when I get even a slight tan, this part will tan and then this part will remain white and I look a little funny. So I'm gonna ask the doctor today if they have some kind of treatment that could maybe even out this color here to match the lighter patches. We'll see what we can do, but I'm pretty excited. We're gonna relax here and have a tea. We're in the cutest cafe that I've ever seen in my life. Sunny found this place and I can see why she loves it. It smells just as amazing as you would expect it to smell. It smells like sweet dried flowers, and just wait till you see my tea. It's so cute. Look, I got an iced lemongrass tea and I just love the little details. Like they give you this cute little fresh flower. And Sunny got...
Oh, I got chamomile.
Chamomile. And she got a cute little flower too. Cheers! So we're gonna relax and I'll see you guys again soon. We're here, guys. BANOBAGI Dermatology. So we just dropped our stuff off in the locker room so we don't have to carry it around with us all day.
So basically in Korea we have this thing called cocktail IV. So as you guys know, IV are used for when you're sick, right? As a supplement, as a support. But here they have different types of IV. They have the one that has vitamin C, vitamin B5, B6, B12 and everything. So a lot of celebrity in Korea, when they're really busy, they get this IV injection, or like a cocktail IV, to support their system. I usually get this one.
The vitamin C one?
Yeah. When you feel like your immune system is really low, you can just come here and get it done.
I would never think of coming to a skincare clinic for something like that.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
They have a garlic one too.
Yeah, Sunny said this one's really good for detoxing your body, but then you smell like garlic afterwards.
Even your fart will smell like garlic.
So all of their explanations and like these pamphlets are in Korean, but if you do speak only English and you come here, they will have translators to help you, so don't worry about it. I have Sunny with me here today, so my personal translator. I'm just gonna change my shoes into slippers so it's a lot easier. I don't have to keep taking my shoes off. Okay, so I'm going into the room now. They're gonna cleanse my face because I have sun cream on. No need to worry if you have makeup or sunscreen or any kind of skincare on when you go to the clinic because they will cleanse your face for you. This was so nice. I felt like royalty. I'd never had anyone wash my face for me before. It was super relaxing. So they're gonna use a machine here to analyze the condition of my skin.
Yeah. Forehead and chin attachment. Close your eyes all the time.
Now it's time to go in and talk with the dermatologist. The doctor that I'm seeing today is Kim Eun-jin, and she recommended some treatments that she thought would be best for my skin. So I told her what my concerns were, and she made a couple suggestions of her own, and we decided on a treatment plan. Alright guys, it's almost time to start. I'm nervous. They gave me a gown to change into, and then we're gonna go in there. All the beds in the clinic are separated by either walls or curtains, so it feels very private and comfortable. So the first step was to remove the top layer of dead skin from my face. They did this using this device. It didn't hurt at all. It felt very relaxing. It was just like a very gentle scrape, and it makes your skin feel super smooth. And this will improve the effectiveness of the other treatments that we're going to do today. Next, we started the LDF treatment, and this is for reducing redness in my skin. Dr. Kim recommended this because I told her that probably one of the biggest skin issues I have at the moment is that I have too much redness and I always feel like I have to cover it up. So hopefully this works. It was very relaxing, zero pain at all. I almost fell asleep. It was quite nice actually. This next cream that they're applying to my face is actually a numbing cream, and they left this on for about an hour, I think it was, to make sure my face is nice and numb for the next treatment we're gonna do, which is the ULTHERA ultrasound facial treatment, which can be quite painful, so that is why they give you this numbing cream. Once the cream had done its job, they removed it all, and it was time to go into the next room to start the ULTHERA treatment. So ULTHERA is an ultrasound machine. It uses sound energy to penetrate deep into your skin, and what it does is it encourages the regeneration of collagen in your skin. So it's all natural, there's no chemicals or fillers or anything like that. All it's doing is stimulating your skin and encouraging it to create some fresh new collagen. Now, I must warn you, this was quite painful, so be prepared for that. Some portions of the face hurt more than others. I felt really sensitive along my jaw area, but I held out because I was really hoping that I would get the results I wanted. But just be aware of that if you are going to try ULTHERA. Prepare yourself for the pain. The numbing cream does help reduce the pain, but because it's penetrating deep into your skin, you can still feel it. Banobagi Dermatology Clinic is a certified provider of this ULTHERA treatment. There are fake machines out there, so make sure you are confirming with the hospital that they are properly certified and that they have a legit machine before you do this treatment. Alright guys, it's been officially 3 months since I did the skin treatment, so I'm going to let you know what I think, tell you how my face looks now, and if I think it was worth the cost of the treatments. As for the LDF redness reducing treatment, it wasn't painful at all, which was great. It was actually quite relaxing. It just felt like a massage for my face. It was really nice. It cost just under $300 American. And I noticed results from that right away, actually. My face was a little irritated from the treatments right afterwards, but after a couple days of giving it time to settle down, I really noticed I would say a 50% reduction in the redness of my skin. And that's really my biggest skin concern at the moment. I still get pimples, but they're not too bad. I don't really have a problem with blackheads or anything. It's just my skin constantly had quite a bit of redness in it, so I was always using like a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer or something to cover that up. But now that it's about 50% less than it was, I feel a lot more comfortable going out without anything on my face, which is really nice because I do that often. I really only wear makeup when I go to a meeting or make videos or, you know, out for dinner or something special. But my everyday life, I just don't wear anything. So it's nice to feel a little more comfortable in my skin. So if you do struggle with redness, I highly recommend that treatment. They do recommend that you get more than one session. I only had one session and I would say I noticed about a 50% reduction in redness. So I'm sure if I had continued and done a few more, I would have seen even better results. But definite thumbs up for the LDF redness reducing treatment. As for the ULTHERA, like I mentioned in the video, it was very painful. It doesn't look painful because, you know, there's no cutting involved, there's no injections, it's not a laser, it's just an ultrasound, right? It shouldn't hurt. It was very painful. I have a high pain tolerance, so it's one of those pains where it's kind of like a dental pain, like when you're getting your teeth drilled and you get like a sharp pain deep in your jaw. It kind of felt like that. The cost is quite high. It was just over $3,000 American, I believe. but the results have been amazing, you guys. I'll show you guys the before and after shots here so you can see the difference. So this is 3 months later. This is exactly 3 months later when I took this after photo, and you're supposed to continue to see results up until 6 months, I believe, so it should continue to improve. But this is already such a huge improvement. I'm very, very happy with how it looks, and it feels tighter. It feels a lot tighter. They also said that you would see like some lifting and tightening just in your face in general, because what it's doing is producing more collagen, so your face gets like plumper and tighter. And I did notice that these lines here are a little less than they were before, so that's cool. They didn't bother me or anything, but I guess that's an improvement. I don't know. I think I would have to say it was worth the pain and worth the cost. I would say if you're very self-conscious about your chin area like I am, and diet and stuff like that doesn't have any positive effect on it. It's often a genetic thing, this saggy double chin. So if it does bother you, then I would say that this is a worthy investment, but only if it really bothers you. For myself, I have to see my face on camera all the time. I get people commenting on my looks all the time. So for me, it's nice to have an improvement in that area. But yeah, it's not a huge deal. It's just a little double chin. So if you have one, don't worry about it. Again, I'm just very picky about how I look because I always have to stare at my face in videos and listen to what people have to say about it as well. So for me, I think it was worth the trouble of having the treatment done, and I'm very happy with the results I've seen. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below and I will try to answer them. I've got the information of the clinic that I went to down below if you want to contact them yourself. And I guess that's about it. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!